Welcome, today in front of me NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So just a couple of minutes ago I set up my fingerprint to the scanner, and now as can you see I can unlock the device with my fingerprint. Now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device here, and we'll just see how fast this watcher is and does it works normal. So let's start. 1, 2. As can you see, when I'm just slightly touch the fingerprint scanner, here we have description that finger moved too fast, so we should hold for a while the scanner just to successfully unlock your device, because if you do like this way, just simply touch it, you just have no chance to unlock the device. So as can you see, the fingerprint scanner works here really fast and good, so that's the good result for the face unlock method, and I just suggest you to try this unlock method. If you, for example, don't like some unlock methods like the passcodes or pin codes, you can try the fingerprint unlock, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the pin codes, passcodes or patterns. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.